Presenting a pre-owned 2019 Maserati. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Maserati is a great value with less than 45,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, spare tire kit, and window defogger.